Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Very, very, very hard. Very hard. Okay, 4160. 4160 is just that hard. Okay, just have to know that. It is that hard. Where do we go from here? Don't know. Do we get there today? Don't know. You got the PPI coming. You got jobs report coming. So let's see what happens, right? That's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Okay? Don't overthink stuff. Nothing is breaking through way out. Nothing is going way down. And you're in no man's land. And are we going to stay there for a little while? Maybe. I have no idea. But I know it's kind of crazy right now what's going on. Nothing is really moving. Okay? Now, the best ones, PanW and CrowdStrike, should have moved last week. The news was that good, and they're moving this week. They continue to go up, they go up, they go up. But that's about it. Nothing else really happening, okay? Tesla trying to move. It was at 218 and slowed down now, going back down as Datadog came out. Datadog is lower. Everybody's beating, barely, and they're going up a little bit. Not great. Twilio's up, so we're going to hit Twilio. You're going to miss Ring, net even, okay? Unless Twilio goes another, if they get to 3, then you'll do okay. Okay, you put in 1 and 1, and if you get 3 on 1, you ended up plus 1, right? Okay. Snow can go down today on Datadog, right back down to 168, 165. Hold on a sec here. Questions, comments. Just double check. You guys can hear me, correct? Just double check. Because no questions. Yes, okay. Okay, so that's what we know. That's what we know. Think about what's going on here. If you think about what happened. Meta, great earnings. Great earnings, says everything good. The CEO says stuff good. The CFO says stuff good. It goes to 197. Some clown yesterday sends out a memo saying things aren't great. You're not out of the woods. What's he doing? He's scaring employees. The stock can't go up. And it's down 21. It's down 21. How shit is that? Isn't that interesting? Right? Isn't that interesting? You just need to understand this. This is the market you have. Think about this. CEOs putting up with all kinds of bullshit. This is why companies fail. Roblox, not great earnings, just decent. They still haven't made money in the last 18 years. Goes up 8. But the leader for the metaverse goes down. Okay, makes no sense. Okay. Yesterday, Ring comes out with earnings. Decent. They've missed by a little bit on both. But they're going to go look at what the valuation. They're going to make $3 next year. They got it up to $3. Okay? They're going to make $3. Okay? Times it by 15 PE 45. It's trading less than that. Okay? And then you got like Roku, who doesn't make any money ever. You got Twilio. Twilio's okay. We got it. They're going to do a buyback. They make 22 cents, times it by 4. They make $1. Times it where it is, 75 PE. So think of what the market is doing. They take these stocks up for a day or two, and then they kill them because then they realize, oh, this isn't worth it. It's never going to grow like that. That's what's happening. Microsoft goes way up on this chat GPT thing, and this is going to help them because over the course of time, if they take 1% market share in chat, they make extra $2 billion. So that one's more justified, right? If they take 1% from Google, Google goes down 1%, and their cost goes way down. Okay? Think about it. Charlie Munger, 90 plus years old, doing stocks. He still doesn't understand the basics of Tesla. Tesla is not about selling cars. Guys, you don't understand. It's not about selling EVs. He's like, oh, there's this other EV in China that's great. What has their stock done? Hasn't moved. Hasn't done anything. That's like all Kramer and all these goofballs on CNBC, we'll call them goofballs, telling us GM and Ford are competing with Tesla. Go look at GM and Ford stock forever. Does nothing. Doesn't move. Or goes down. Doesn't do anything. These people telling us Rivian and Lucid, oh my God, these are all going to go 20x. They all go lower. Right? So just got to know what's going on. Netflix. I keep telling you about this ad-supported stuff. People seem to like it. I don't like it. I just puke when I see commercials like this. People watching commercials because they got nothing better to do to save $2. Then they go to the store. And the gouging at the stores. I went back to the store yesterday. The gouging at the store is unprecedented. Candy goes up 10 cents every time I go there. The little candy bars. Doesn't even cost them more in shipping. Unbelievable. Ice cream. Think about this. Haagen-Dazs and Tom and Jerry, or Ben and Jerry's, $6 now for a pint. $6. $6. You can't even make this up. And here's the funny part. You're at Walmart, you look at the ice cream, and not one is gone. Nobody is buying them. Nobody's buying them. You go look at something else that's reasonably priced, and they're all gone. Airline tickets. You guys seen what I posted on airline tickets. You can't even make this up. And you know what's funny? There are so many ignorant people out there that don't understand the basics. They're like, oh, the flights are always high. No, they're not. I for years and years, I booked to Vegas, booked to Florida, go to Miami, go to LA, go last minute. And yeah, you pay more. You pay $500, $550, something like that, one way. You don't pay $1,400 one way. You can't even make this stuff up. I mean, amazing. So now I'm talking to this guy, and he tells me, yeah, there's like a boat show and this and stuff, so everybody wants to come. Okay. He said, but hotels are crazy. They're $900, $1,200. He goes, I wouldn't pay that. Okay. But he goes, so I'm going to go take a train there and take a train back at night. I'm like, okay, interesting. So that's the world we live in, right? It's the world we live in. Very, very interesting. So this ad-supported, let's go back to this ad-supported. So Netflix says they sold out of the ad-supported, and the stock goes down $22. Let me tell you, if Netflix misses, the stock's going to have 100-point down. Because all this stuff doesn't make sense. When stuff doesn't make sense, think about it, Deere. These guys on CNBC telling us Deere, this move in Deere is over. Okay, maybe. But ag, if you have more farmland and you need to farm more stuff faster, and you're getting unprecedented prices for your food, why wouldn't you be investing to make even more money faster? I mean, that's the logic. The logic is very, very simple, right? Now, do they beat or miss? I don't know. Anything's possible. Snow rips because it's the data. It's the repositories for the data for ChatGPT and massaging the data. MDB, same thing. I told you that the other day. Okay? Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. AMAT reports tonight, Applied Materials. They're going to tell us, and that's going to take, Lam Research will either hit 500 or 540 tomorrow. Okay? Interesting. Then we see. NVIDIA goes up because the platform, and I posted the NVIDIA thing, the broker yesterday, one of the brokers, came out and said they're going to grow 25% a year for the next 5 years because of this chat GPT. That's how huge it's going to be. So it goes, if you do 25% a year, it goes from $6 billion in revenue to $18 billion. Jesus. Where does it go? I don't know. Trillion? Maybe? I don't know. Then we see. Okay? So that's all the stuff that's happening. But does this all happen now? Or does it happen in a year? Does it happen in 2 years? Does this inflation stay with us for a year or 2 years or 3 years? It's very possible. Very possible. Do they keep raising? Probably. Housing's starting to pick up again. Think about this again. Go look. Just go to Zillow and find a place that is near the water, like Destin or Miami or whatever, and go look at prices. They're starting to go up again. You go look at these houses, and I don't even know what to say. I mean, I just, you just like throw up. You got a house that sold for $2 million. Okay, a year and a half ago. They have it on the market for 180 days at $4 million. Didn't sell. They drop it to 3.5. Okay. For a month. Been at 3.5 for a month. They raise it to 4.5. They just raised it to 4.5. They can't sell it at 3.5. They sell it, move it to 4.5. I'm like, what the hell is going on here? So that's what's happening. Now, maybe because it's getting to be summer, they're raising the price. I don't know. You're going to raise it $1 million and you can't sell it at 3.5? I don't even know what to say. Fascinating. When Sam says fascinating. Then we see. Let's see if PPI helps us today and we take off. If we don't move through this 4160 or under 4100, it's a nothing day again. So just wait. Then we see. Okay? That's what we got. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 216. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Nothing really happening. Everything's range bound. You got to trade them. You got to trade them fast. Okay? Got to trade them fast. Okay? If you don't, you miss them. Don't miss them. SPX 4160. What else is today? Say 4160, 4172, 4192. Underneath 4109, and you get 4100. Can't seem to break 4100. Okay? Avago 609, 621. Underneath 591. NVIDIA 229, 231. Underneath 216. Lam Research, this one's going to move under 500 or through 539. Pan W, way better, 177, 183, underneath 171. Meta, 183. Can't get to 180. Think about it. Last Thursday hit 183 and then popped. Then it went back under. And it can't get back to 183. Amazing. It's just amazing. Snowman, 176, 168. We got back out of it. Took our profit, got out of it. Deere, earnings tomorrow, 422. 444, big number, 472. If it's bad, 391. Twilio, 77, 79, 83, 86. Underneath 69. MDB 236, 241, underneath 188, way down there, 188. you got 216 and then 188. Okay. NOW trying to go 466, 477. Netflix 372. Wait some more and wait. Watch some more commercials and wait for it to move. Baidu 152, 161. Another 2 weeks they'll probably release their thing, probably pop again and then drop. Microsoft 272, 276 accelerator. Align got better. 352. Google doing nothing, no man's land. Tesla, this was way up. 217, now it's coming back down. See if it pops. ENPH, a little bit better, underneath 209, over 221. That's what we know. Okay. Let's see what happens with the PPI and the jobs outside of that. Let's see. Everybody have a great trading day. See you.